What will they do when this well's run dry? What will they do when I'm not there to push around? When the only sound they hear is a very lonely sound, and the silence brings a tear to their eyes. For the unfocused lack of judgment, for the deep and stinging shame, fingers point at you when you have got no one to blame. How will they live without a man like me to guide them? How will they live with no one to call the shots, when the only shot you call is the only one you've got? Mistakes are commonplace, but you need someone who can hide them, for the blatant disregard of life and keeping things the same. Mirrors turn back towards you when you've got no one to blame. If I run, where can I run to where the screams will leave me be? If I hide, where can I hide to where the criminals, not me? Must one mistake erase the love I've heaped upon this town? Is forgiveness floating somewhere out there, left alone to drown? How will they sleep at night, all snug inside their beds? How will they sleep at night when a part of them is gone? When the part that's gone is gone because he knows that he did wrong, but his leaving just won't reconcile the dead. For the women and the children and the men who loathe my name, tell they're made for leaving when you've got no one to